Welcome to 5702 Laguna Circle South. Tucked into one of South Padre Island's channel pockets, this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath townhome with over 2,100 square feet. And you've got a front row seat to everything the Laguna Madre has to offer. And here's a bonus, no HOA, so it's coastal living on your own terms. Are you ready to cast a line straight from your private dock? Drop a line in the water or drop an anchor out in the Laguna Madre. This home has direct access to bay fishing, bird watching, or an impromptu sunset cruise. On the main level, you find a bright area with glass stair rails, giving the home a very modern look. As you enter into the open living space, you can see right out to your boat dock and the water in the channel. The dining space with tile floors flows seamlessly into the kitchen area, making it ideal for entertaining or relaxing after a day on the water. A convenient powder room and 2-car garage round out the first floor space, offering you storage and style right where you need it. The second floor is perfectly arranged with 2 generously sized bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill style bathroom, ideal for family, guest, or rental flexibility. Each room draws in natural light and a glimpse of the outdoors. As you head to your 3rd floor primary retreat, again, you are greeted with the glass stair rails opening up the entire space. With a private balcony on both sides, you will enjoy the sunrise over the channel and the sunset over the bay without ever leaving your room. It's like having your own personal lookout for every golden hour. This home is 3 stories and you've got a private patio on the back before you head downstairs to your boat dock on the channel. The 3rd floor is the primary bedroom with balconies both facing the channel and another balcony facing the Laguna Madre for sunsets. Here we are looking over the channel deck. While in the evenings, you walk across the room, exit onto your west-facing balcony and enjoy the sunsets. So if you are looking for a property on the water with your own boat dock and plenty of bedrooms, Laguna Circle South may be for you. You have the freedom to head straight out to the bay with zero restrictions from an HOA. Your boat, your view, your rules. Please reach out if we can answer any questions or help guide you to your perfect property and stay with you through the entire process. Until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.